we are Jessica
and Mike
Fritz from Maritime Marzipan and Fritz Chocolates. We own a confections business which makes marzipan treats and European treat using almond paste, filling out chocolates, and we also have a solid chocolate line. We're a husband and wife team, and our business is a labor of love. And we do have 2 retail locations, one seasonally in St. Peter's Bay, where we are right now, and we just opened a new location in the new Founders Hall and Food Market in downtown Charlottetown. We launched Maritime Marzipan out of a fluke, an idea. We have been moving from Germany to Canada about 11 years ago. Marzipan is a very typical treat in Germany and other European countries, so we started thinking about, why don't we use that as our idea and combining our German roots with our new Canadian lifestyle and bringing marzipan to the island. Chocolates and coffee go well together. We learned that in the first year, and so we expanded our offerings from chocolates and the marzipan product to a coffee shop next door. And then we had the opportunity to open up our retail space, a store called Flavours. We offer other local food products and showcase all the great things the small businesses and entrepreneurs on PEI have to offer. Well, we moved to PEI and to start our business here because we wanted to be part of the island community, and the Startup Zone represents that for small businesses and startup businesses. So really being part of like-minded people is great to us. And then also as a small business, you don't necessarily have all the means to, hire sales trainers or get any courses or classes. So just leveraging these support items from the Startup Zone has been great to us and supported us in the growth of our business.
we are selling our products on PEI mainly. In 5 years or less, we want to sell our products nationally.
If you can dream it, you can do it.